Hello all, myself Manish John. I am a student of SNS College of Technology, BTech IT third year. Today we are going to see about a BMC and the company named Evolve Company. What they are doing is they are building a software or the API which are required to make a podcast app. What our project is also similar to that. We are going to make a podcast app that is going to manage and connecting with the people who are doing the podcast. It have three different categories like guest and the host and the organization. So we are going to see about this particular company Evolved. Their key activities is they are building softwares which will very useful to create a new app. They are whatever the softwares they create, they offer it to other developers to use the same, and they are creating the specific APIs. These API calls are really accurate in what they are particularly doing. What it does is they'll go and fetch the data of guest or host. So the API is their one of their activity. Then their key partners. Their key partners are basically like who all are trying to develop a podcast or like the trend is there, right? The particular podcast trend. It is coming from the Western culture to our Indian also. So we need to adapt to that, and we need to not only adapting, we need to do better than that. So who all are people in developing the podcast app are their partners of Evolve Company.
Hello there, I am Mohammed Farhan, a pre-final year student currently pursuing BTech IT at SNS College of Technology. Now I am going to talk about customer segments. Customer segment involves the target audience who are in need for this application. This involves the podcast listeners who want better discovery and personalization of their applications, and the professionals, learners, and the creators consuming long-form audio. This because of the podcast listeners involves generating many contents involving the day-to-day life, and the professionals and learners will take more approach on this projects. And finally, the users are interested in the sleep, wellness, and the AI-driven rest solutions. This is because the long-term podcast listeners may be useful for that. That may be inducing sleep and other applications. Now for the value proposition. Value propositions are the concepts that are used in the creation of this application. This involves a simplified and intelligent podcast discovery using artificial intelligence, and the personalized audio recommendation based on their behavior. For example, we can manage the tone into gentle or aggressive, etc. We can firmly change the concepts depending on their voice and their structures. And the minimalist and it's a minimalist and distracting free listening experience. The original use of podcast is to being a long term, and it needs to be in a consuming method. And finally, it's AI powered sleep and rest improvement through REST AI. This involves application continuously running through REST AI features. Now for the key activities. Key activities involves developing and improving the AI recommendation system. This involves the recommending concepts based on the users' behaviors and concepts. Next, the maintaining and scaling mobile applications. The application needs to be small, but it's usually productive, and it needs to be affirmative. So next is curative and organizing audio contents. Many audio contents are there for podcast applications, so we need to easily compromise and compartmentalize the concepts well definitely. And the research and innovation in AI-based wellness audios. This involves the audio construction and wellness behaviors, and the research and innovation regarding to the concept of podcasts.
I'm Hariprasad, here at BTech IT, SNS College of Technology. I'm going to explain about customer relationship, self-service model with an intuitive UX, a personalized engagement through an AI and recommendations, continuous improvement based on the user feedback and usage data. Now let's discuss about key resources. AI machine learning algorithms using in a podcast app, the podcast app platform, and the RESTful AI technologies. In the podcast app, we are using lots of AI technologies to improve the user interfaces, and founding team experience in the audios and customer apps. User data will be personalized and ethical handled. We are using lots of AI to improve the user interfaces and the usabilities.
Hello everyone, I am M. Rahul from SNS College of Engineering, currently pursuing BTech and IT. The challenge defines how the product reaches users and delivers value. The primary channel of our product is mobile applications, where the user discovers, listens to, and interacts with the AI personalized podcast and app distribution platform, where availability through major app stores like Play Stores, Google App Stores, etc., etc., and organic growth channels. Word of mouth recommendation from satisfied users and podcast and audio focused online communities. As for the revenue stream explains how the product generates income. Our app majorly generates income through premium subscription models, where users pay monthly or yearly fees to access. A user pays monthly or yearly fees to access advanced AI-based recommendations and personalized playlists where a user can personalize the playlist according to their will, and ad-free listening experience where the interaction like ad from a third party will not appear, and AI-powered welfare and sleep audio monetization. Specialized REST AI content such as sleep stories, guided relaxation, and focus and meditation audios, and offered as premium or add-on contents as DLC, and future revenue opportunities scalable, and created tools for post-care analytics and AI insights, and enterprises for B2B audio solutions, and brands partnership for welfare, where a podcast can partnership with our project to promotions. This model ensures recurring revenue and long-term sustainability. As for cost structure, the cost structure outlines major expenses from our side, product development and engineering cost, and mobile development and back-end systems such as integrations and cloud infrastructure and AI maintenance, data storage and audio streaming for streaming apps, AI model training and interfaces, and recommended system optimizations, marketing and user activation for promoting our project, and app store optimizations, and digital marketing campaigns for promoting our project through various campaigns, and community engagement and promotions, platform maintenance and operations, uh, uh, continuously app updates and bug fixes for better feedback and usability, security and data, customer support and analytic tools. This structure focuses on technology, scalability and user growth for our cost structure. Thank you for watching this video.